Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sleep mode not working in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option app management. Now click on it and then click on app list. Now scroll down and here you can see the option clock. Now click on it and then click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear the cache memory of clock. After clear the cache memory of clock, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and then click on reset phone. Now click on reset settings and then click on erase all data. It will remove all the settings in your device. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.